Hi, my name's Jin. I work at the UIC Rock Climbing Wall, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clip in and out of our autobelay system. So this thing over here clipped into the ground is our autobelay. This red rope acts as our anchor, and this blue rope that extends all the way up the wall is our autobelay. And basically, it has two carabiners. It has one loose carabiner and one carabiner that's holding it onto the ground on the anchor. And so you're going to take the loose carabiner, and it's a triple locking carabiner. So the way you open it is on the wider end. You're going to pull the orange part towards the wider end, twist it, and then you're going to push it open like a normal carabiner. And once you have your loose carabiner opened, you're going to put it through the hard points of your harness. And with this harness, there's two hard points, this one and this one. But with the harnesses at the UIC wall, there's going to only be one hard point, which is the little red loop up here. So I'm going to thread the loose carabiner through my hard points. And then you just want to make sure your carabiner is locked by just pressing on it a few times. If it doesn't open, then you're good to go. Then you can unclip from the anchor. So what you're going to do is you might want to pull on the autobelay a little bit to give it some slack. And with that same technique, you're going to push towards the wide end, twist, and then open it like a normal carabiner and unclip. And now I'm ready to climb. So I can climb up the wall now. And when I come down, I'm going to anchor in first. So I'm going to grab the anchor from the ground. I'm going to use that same technique to open the triple locking carabiner. And on this first hole here, you can see there's two holes. This empty hole that's connected to the blue part of the autobelay, that's where you're going to hook this carabiner to. And once it's hooked, you can unclip yourself from the autobelay just like that. And that is how you clip in and out of the autobelay system.